EE World on Martin Road. This is OFC in San Diego in March of 2024, and we are in the Keysight booth, and Greg Lecheminat has got a demo here which he calls Pathway to 448G Optics. I had not heard anyone mention 448 until right now. So Greg, why don't you tell us what you're doing here and how you think that this is all going to lead to the next generation? I've been hearing about 224 for a while.
Exactly.
But now,
so this is the equipment that we have that people are using today to go to 200G. It's our AWG that is used to generate electrical waveforms. This is our DCA scope used to measure optical waveforms. People have been doing the 200G stuff for quite, at least a year, 2 years. This is really pushing beyond that. So the AWG can go to 180 gigabaud, and the scope too can look at signals to 180 gigabaud. So what we're showing here actually is not 448G, but it's a 155 gigabaud. And that's the modulator here.
So
it's 155.
Okay.
So this is the step to 448.
Right.
As you mentioned earlier, is there anybody actually doing 448? Not yet.
Not yet.
This is a step to it.
You need the silicon. We don't have that yet.
Not yet, but here's one big step. We've jumped up from the 100 gigabaud to 155.
So 155, that's 155 with PAM4 is what we're looking at up there.
It'd be a 310 gig.
About 310.
Yeah.
And nobody's going to want to stop it. Nobody's going to want 310. They're going to want to go make the next jump 2x. It's always a 2x jump.
But you don't do it in, technologically, you don't do it in one jump.
Right.
They're stepping their way up. Here's one big step.
Okay.
But we still got at least one big step to get.
All right, let's get some close-ups here.
Go right ahead.
Of some of this equipment. And why don't you, so this is the
AWG here.
Yep.
And that signal is driving through a bias T to the Mitsubishi modulator.
Okay.
So the 155 electrical signal is modulating the laser, and that then goes through the optical fiber into the scope, and that's the waveform we see up here.
So what we're really, at this point, we're just showing a bit stream.
Yes, in an eye diagram.
In an eye diagram, but a bit stream, generated as PRBS or something like that.
Yeah, it's a test pattern.
It's just a test pattern. Yeah, at this point we don't have, we're not up to Ethernet yet.
No live traffic.
No live traffic, but that will come. That will certainly come.
You got to do it in steps, and again, this is one of those big steps.
Okay, Greg, thank you very much.
Thank you.